Hello, and welcome to a short tutorial about how to make the most of Chrome. We will use Chrome in class because it is optimized to work with Google applications like Calendar, Drive, and Gmail. Chrome can also sync across your devices, so you have all of your bookmarks and settings on your iPad at home. If you see these messages, click on Don't Ask Again and set as default. If you did not see those messages or skipped past them, don't worry about it, we'll come back to that. You should sign in to Chrome. Use your generation number, the first 3 letters of your first name, your last name, at asfg.edu.mx. One of the nicest features about Chrome is the Omnibar. You don't need to go to google.com to search for something. You just need to type in the Omnibar. For example, if I'm researching ants, I just type ants in the Omnibar. If you scroll to the bottom of the screen, you can click on Use Google.com to make sure that your results are in English. Click on the 3 bars icon. You should see that you are signed in. Click on Settings. In Settings, you can change what happens when Chrome starts up. You can open a new tab, you can continue where you left off, which opens recent tabs, or you can choose to open a specific page or set of pages. The first option will make Chrome open the fastest. Under Appearance, you want to choose Always Show the Bookmark Bar. Under Search Settings, Google should be the search engine you use when using the Omnibar. Under Default Browser, if your default browser is not currently Google Chrome, click Make Google Chrome the default browser. Click on Show Advanced Settings. Scroll down. Under Passwords and Forms, you can manage passwords and allow Chrome to remember passwords to some sites. Under Downloads, notice where the downloads are being saved automatically, and I recommend select the option to ask where to save each file. You can always find your Downloads folder by clicking on the Finder and then clicking on Downloads. Let's exit the settings and add some bookmarks. Use the links provided on this lesson page to open the sites you need to bookmark. Open PowerSchool and click on the star. Rename the bookmark because parent sign-in doesn't make a lot of sense. Open up the ASFG homepage. Click on the star. Rename it. And bookmark Classroom, the library homepage, and iExcel. If you have this site open in Safari or Firefox, open it in Chrome and stop using the other browser. Let's create a few more bookmarks. Secondary click on the Bookmarks bar and select Add Folder. We will create a folder for each of your classes. ELA for Language Arts, MA for Math, HGC for Historia, SS for Social Studies, ESP for Spanish, and SC for Science. If your teacher wants you to save a specific site in your bookmarks folder, you can drag it from the bookmarks bar or save it there specifically. For example, I am doing research for a science project. This site will be very helpful, so I click on the star. I choose the SC Science folder from the list and click Done. Now it is in the folder. You can get to Google Apps using the 9 boxes icon, or you can create bookmarks. You want to be able to access these quickly because you will use them frequently. So you can access Calendar, Drive, Gmail, and more from the 9 boxes. And feel free to put bookmarks on your bookmarks bar for each of those things. Notice that you can rearrange your icons on your bookmarks bar just by clicking and dragging on them to a different location or to put them in different folders. You can add apps and extensions to Chrome. One extension I really like is the Calendar extension. Type Chrome Calendar extension in the Omnibar to search for it. Open Google Calendar by Google. Click on Free. Click on Add. You may need to sign into your account again. You can change which calendars are visible by clicking on the settings icon. This is a nice, quick reference for upcoming assignments and to help you plan your time. There are thousands of apps and extensions you can add to Chrome. I do not recommend installing games because they will be a distraction. You will lose work habits points and may end up with an IRF if you choose to play games. There is a list of recommended extensions on the bottom of the lesson page. Feel free to install them. There is one last Chrome feature I want you to know about. When you accidentally close a tab but you need it again, click on the 3 bars icon, rest your mouse on recent tabs, and choose the tab you want. It will reopen the old tab. You can also open multiple old tabs if you close Chrome entirely and reopen. Chrome has a lot of features that will make classwork easier. Thank you for watching.